In this video, I'll show you how to upload reels on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Facebook account. This is our Facebook account, Emmanuel Jack. So from this displayed options, scroll down, click on these reels. Once I have clicked on these reels, click this reel. I want to create our own reel and upload it here on Facebook. Click on this add video. Ensure you select a short video format. It shouldn't be long, just a short video format like this. Click on it. Click on open. Now this is the video I want to upload. Describe your reel. Video. So who can see this? Reels can appear across Facebook. So enable remixing, allow others to create reels. I'll wait for this to upload. So it's posting. The reel is processing. This is Emmanuel Jack account, and scroll on. You can see reels, your reels, right? So I just uploaded this video, funniest Minecraft video 2024. So this is how you can upload reels. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.